Hi guys, we'd like to take you along our 80-day winter trip from Georgia out to Quartzsite, Arizona and back with 22 stops, 6 states, and 4,800 miles. We'll give you quick reviews of the campgrounds we stay in, places that we go, fun stuff that we do, and ugly stuff that happens too. Thanks for coming along for the ride with us. Here was our next stop. We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. We just love the scenery out here. If you're traveling in from the east, your GPS may want to take you the long way around by way of Highway 90 to 82 to 80. This is an extra hour drive when you can actually travel right through the town of Benson. There are 2 bridges you have to go under that are 14 feet high, but we fit. Other than that, it's quite easy to get there. Just follow I-10 west to exit 306, turn left onto North Pomerine Road at the end of the off-ramp, and it'll bring you right into downtown Benson. This will then bring you to I-10 Business Loop West, which is a right turn. Hang a left on San Pedro Street, and yes, you will be going through a neighborhood. Then a left onto East 5th Street, and it will bring you back around to Arizona 80 East, which will be about a mile from the campground. Here's what it looks like. Go inside the office and register, and they will have a guide that will take you to your site. We pulled up about 100 feet and we took Zippy down. I proceeded to go ahead and go to the site. Usually the long pull-through sites are also wide enough for Leroy, but we had a tree in our site and would not let us park him there. So they let us park him in a short site right next to us. Next time when we come back, we will have a site without a tree. We stayed at Valley Vista for 4 nights, both times in Benson, Arizona. This is stop number 10 going into Quartzsite, and will be stop number 12 on our way back from Quartzsite. This is an Encore campground that is open year-round, and we are able to stay there at no cost through our 1,000 Trails membership. However, you do not have to have a membership to stay there. You do need to have at least one person on board that is 55 years of age or older. Valley Vista is located in the high desert of beautiful southeastern Arizona. We have been here several times before and enjoy its amenities and closeness to Walmart and restaurants and to historic towns such as Tombstone, museums, botanical gardens, and the Kirchner Caverns State Park. Not to mention it has beautiful rugged terrain, majestic mountains, and spectacular desert sunsets. Valley Vista RV Resort has 129 sites and is big rig friendly with pull-throughs. Each site has either 30 amp or 50 amp or both water and sewer. Cost is $45 a night. However, if you stay at least a week, then it's $39 a night. Amenities include a clubhouse, shuffleboard, swimming pool, hot tub. Pets are welcome and they have a large dog park. Nature hiking trails, restroom, shower facilities, laundry facilities, horseshoes, a library, bocce ball, Wi-Fi hotspot, and nearby golf courses. Also, you can have above-ground campfires. Check-in is at 2 o'clock, check-out is at 11 a.m. Minimum check-in age is 55 years old. Mandatory 2-night reservations are required for weekends and 3 nights for holidays. Single night, midweek campsite reservations are accepted. There's Texaco next door. They have Chester's Chicken and they have an Amazon locker. When you come in to the campground here, there's nobody in that little building. So pull up till you see the stop sign and then you can go inside and check in. You don't get any cards or anything to hang on your mirror. Behind it is the pool and the hot tub, and they do have showers there. How was the shower, Dave?
It's good. Real good.
This is, okay, what do you call them again, Dave?
Swarrows? I don't know.
This cactus is old. Look at all the arms on it. Saguaro cacti are the largest cactus in the United States. A saguaro cactus with 6 arms is likely to be over 100 years old. They usually start growing their first arms between 70 and 90 years old. They grow very slowly and can take up to 10 years to grow an inch. They can grow to be 10 to 40 feet tall and some up to 50 feet. The average lifespan of a saguaro cactus is about 150 to 175 years, but some may live over 200 years. They got little rocks in between of each site, so there's no question of where your site width is from side to side. There are not very many people here.
This park is normally pretty full.
Yeah, kind of crazy. I mean, this is unusual. This is an Encore through 1,000 Trails, so we're not paying anything to be here. We're staying here for 4 days. This is our last stop before Quartzsite. And then when we get done Quartzsite, we're coming back here again because we want to use the full hookups.
Okay.
And go to Walmart and all that sort of thing.
I haven't seen one of these where it's a pickup camper with a slide out.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, Arctic Fox.
Mm-hmm. People inside here are really nice. They will guide you to your campsite. Bigger sites are over across this little bridge here. This wash, I guess you'd call it.
It's a wash.
I'd never seen water in it. Yeah, they got extra parking over here on the right-hand side. And we got a big sign that says, "Park here." You can actually cross the wash right here. Go halfway down. They do have a fire pit over here that people can gather around. Because you don't have fire pits at your campsites. Now the back row is full. Now these might be more like annuals or something like that too. And then again, a lot of these are empty. The longest ones are over here. We'll check out 166. 166 is supposed to be 85 feet long. And they're going to put us in that next time.
That's where the solid too is.
altitude is? Yeah. Maybe. Somewhere in here. They don't have any trees either. The tree was a problem for us. About the only tree out here. Of course, they gave it to us.
Yeah.
And they got a dog park over here, which is pretty big. And they got water and benches so you can hang out there for a while. You haven't been in the hot tub yet, have you?
Not yet.
It gets so in the last night.
It was in the 20s.
When I got up, it was 18 degrees. In the daytime, it's been in like the 50s. In the sun, it's fine. We ate at a couple of restaurants near the campground, which included the Horseshoe Cafe that has been around a long time. Their food is good, and their desserts are even better. Dave got pizza at the R&R Pizza Express, and he said he'd go back again. Then hidden behind the rock shop is Mi Casa Mexican Restaurant. It has some of the best authentic Mexican food we have ever eaten. Something else that you will find throughout the town are murals that are just beautiful and tell a story. In addition to Tombstone and Kartchner Caverns, there are quite a few things to see around Benson, such as Bisbee, an old town with copper mining, and granite boulders of the Dragoon Mountains, which are exposed just west of Benson on I-10. Additional videos on these cool places to visit will be linked at the end of the video and in the description below. We are back after 2 weeks in Quartzsite. Videos from Quartzsite will be coming soon. In the meantime, we are being guided to Site 166, which has no trees. You see that tree on the right? That was our last Site 145, and that tree prevented us from parking Leroy in our site. Dave has to realign his entry into this new site and back up to make sure the tote won't hit the wall on the left.
I think you're going to need to come over to the passenger side before you make your turn a little bit.
You're going to have to go stand over by the wall.
Okie dokie, here I am. So far, so good. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Lots of room. Very good. Stop and we'll drop zippy.
So we stayed at Valley Vista in Benson, Arizona, right before we get to Quartzsite, and again right afterwards, because they have full hookups, close to the highway, heated pool, hot tub, clean showers, great staff, and they do have like bingo and potlucks and stuff here too. And the sites are long enough for us. The weather has been close to 80 degrees during the day and upper 40s at night. Time to go. Did you get all your gas?
Yeah.
Then we'll make this turn.
We're going to find out.
Turn left on Arizona 80.
Look at you. Like a pro and everything. If your GPS tells you to make this tight loop with the blue line, you may want to go take a look at it first, as there's only about 40 feet between the roads. If you're long like us, you may want to take the red route to I-10. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.